Aslamo alaikum. Hopefully you all are doing great and are working on your science notebook, also learning lesson daily. Today we are going to discuss topics from Unit 7 that is about solutions and their types. We will study these topics and will understand the concepts one by one. Let's start it. First question is about difference between solution and suspension. A solution is a homogeneous mixture where the solute is completely dissolved in the solvent, making it uniform throughout, like salt dissolved in water. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture where particles are dispersed but not dissolved in the liquid, and they may settle over time, like sand in water. For example, in solution, salt water, sugar dissolved in tea. In suspension, muddy water, flour mixed in water. Next question is about difference between solute and solvent. A solute is the substance that gets dissolved, while a solvent is the substance that dissolves the solute. For example, in a sugar-water mixture, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. In salt water, salt is the solute and water is the solvent. Next question is about difference between soluble and insoluble substance. A soluble substance is one that can dissolve in a solvent, while an insoluble substance does not dissolve in a solvent. For example, soluble substance is sugar as it dissolves in water. Insoluble substance is sand as it does not dissolve in water. Next question is about what is a universal solvent? A universal solvent is a substance that can dissolve a wide variety of solutes. For example, water is called the universal solvent because it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid due to its polarity and ability to form hydrogen bonds. Next question is about what is an aqueous solution? An aqueous solution is a solution in which water acts as the solvent. For example, as we have seen in previous examples, salt water, salt dissolved in water; vinegar, acetic acid dissolved in water. Now check table on page 94. It's showing solvents for different solutes that cannot be dissolved in water. Grease and oil dissolves in trichloroethane, gloss. Paint dissolves in white spirit, nail. Varnish dissolves in propanone oil in perfumes. And aftershave dissolves in ethanol, that is an alcohol. Learn this table as it is. Hopefully you have built the understanding of concepts. You have to write these questions on your neat notebook and learn them. For any difficulty, feel free to ask me. Thanks for listening. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.